Welcome back. Now a look at the other events in the state.
Sai Seva Utsav Samiti Murgaon has organized 2-day Sai Paduka Darshan ceremony on Rose Circle ground in Vasco from February 15th. The Holy Paduka of Sai Baba would arrive in the state on Tuesday.
साई सेवा उत्सव समिती मुरगाव यांच्यातर्फे साईबाबांच्या पादुकांचा दर्शनाचा कार्यक्रम आयोजित केलेला आहे. रोज सर्कल ग्राउंडवरती या पादुका 10च्या पूर्वी रात्री पोहोचतील तिथे.
Cotton King Private Limited, a Maharashtra-based pure cotton ready-made garment company, has now opened their exclusive showroom in the state. Company opened their first store in Madgaon, the commercial capital of the state. Actor Milind Gunaji inaugurated the store in Madgaon on Saturday.
As a brand, we are based on three major pillars of 100% pure cotton, maximum variety in 100% pure cotton, and third is value for money.
Group art exhibition of Alex Rodriguez and 6 upcoming artists from Mumbai was inaugurated at Arco Irish in Kurtori on Saturday. The exhibition will be open to public till February 17th.
It's an exhibition with a mix of a lot of different kinds of paintings, different styles, a lot of different artists. We got 7 artists whose works are portrayed here.
Bhaktigit CD Harmalsa To Raja of Atmaram Andullekar was released on the anniversary of Ravalnath Temple in Harmal on Saturday. Atmaram Andullekar sang his Bhakti Geets in the Ravalnath Temple Hall. Students doing good in their studies were also given prizes during the function. Artist Richa Vora from Kolhapur has organized her first exhibition of 42 paintings from various categories titled Perceptions and Perspectives in Kala Academy from February 16th. Principal of Goa College of Art M.V. Vengullekar would inaugurate the art exhibition. The 5-day art exhibition would be open for public till February 20th.
मी रिअलिस्टिकमध्ये वर्क करते आणि फिगर्स आणि लँडस्केप्स आहेत या शोमध्ये आणि ऑइल आणि पेस्टल या दोन्ही मीडियामध्ये मी काम केलेले आहे.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And now news from sports. Focus of coach Hervé Renard was the first thing which impressed straight away when a Zambian team had landed in Goa late last year. The Frenchman was completely consumed with the dream of winning the Premier African tournament with his superly talented Zambia. Yes, the Copper Bullets are now the African champions. This amazing story gives hopes to many smaller footballing nations that the most important ingredient to win cups is focus and dedication and not big-name players playing in big European clubs.
What if the opponents had Premier League stars like Didier Drogba? The big names in club football may not be the same when it comes to playing for their countries. Zambian players are not as famous as that of the Ivory Coast, Ghana or Senegal players are, but the Chipolo Polo made it to the finals and then held their nerves to win it against all odds. It shows that coach Hervé Renard and his support staff had worked on the mental as well as strategical part very well. This was what Hervé Renard told Prudent when Zambians came to Goa in November last year for GFA's Golden Jubilee celebration.
And my dream is to reach the semi-final of the final, of course, and why not to win the competition, even if it should be very difficult for us.
Coach Renard and Zambian nation will be rejoicing in the glory as a fitting tribute to the terrible loss of the 1993 Zambian team after a plane crash close to the venue of the final in Libreville, Gabon. Meanwhile, the African Cup of Nations is a wonderfully colourful tournament. It's a pity that it does not get any television coverage in our part of the world like the European or South American championships get. The splendour and passion of the fans adds a lot to the flavour of the competition. These images say it all. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Rohan Ahuja topped the men's ranking while Nandini Saripalli was the best women's chess player in recently concluded state chess selection tournament. The top 10 men and women players will take part in the National Chess Team Championship starting later this month in Goa itself. 74 boys and 24 girls took part in the selection tournament organized by Vasco da Gama Chess Club in association with Goa Chess Association.
Nearly 100 chess players assembled at Sada Vasco over the 3-day tournament. Long-time chess promoters Vasco da Gama Chess Club organized the state selection camp. Here are a few highlights. Rohan Ahuja is an upcoming chess player and befitting to the tag, Rohan topped the men's charts. Two teams of 5 players in the men's category, while 2 teams of 5 girls players will battle it out in the nationals. Here are the men's top 10. Rohan Ahuja, Ritviz Parab, Anirudh V. Bhatt, Suhas Asnorkar, Nandini Saripalli, Snehil Shetty, Audi Amaya, Naresh Naik Rishub, Anant Prabhu Desai and Hoble Sanjil. Here are the top 10 women's players. Nandini Saripalli, Gauri Keshav Hadkonkar, Sukanya Chari, Aishwarya Thorat, Giridhar Deepika, Kerkar Sayani, Prabhu Gaonkar Aditi Aman, Verekar Disha, Kerkar Sonali, Mendonca Beverly. A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also watch us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.